welcome to another Minute in the Boardroom. This is where I take all my experience as being a director of a multi-million-pound business, but also someone who's taking their career from here to here to help you take your career to the next level, but also maybe help you in your business and get your business off the ground and develop it to all that it can be. The word that I'm going to use this week is focus. You've got to have focus. Now, I really struggle with this, but the one thing I've realized is that if you focus in like a laser, you will succeed. If you're broad in everything that you do and you have no clear focus, you tend never to achieve anything. And this is one of my problems. I'm highly creative, but a million ideas. But what I've done is say, actually, can I get a team who can focus for me? So I'm always throwing out ideas, throwing out new concepts. So I realized that that's going to be hard for me to change, and I've had to learn how to adopt that, especially when you're in the beginning of your career or the beginning of your business. You may not be able to have a team around you, but you've got to learn, if you haven't got a team, learn how to focus in on what really needs to happen today. But then when you can build a team, focus, get a team of individuals who can do the focusing for you. So one of the things that, once I've got an idea and a project, I set clear deadlines to the team. They've got a clear focus of what they need to achieve that week. They've got a clear focus what needs to achieve for that month, a clear focus what we need to achieve for that quarter. And the more that you can give people clarity, the more that you can give people a focus, the more or greater the possibility to achieve. So the one word I really want to use this month or this week is please get focus. Get focus even of what you want to achieve in your career. Get focus on what you want to achieve with the business. Focus is everything. The more that you can focus, the more the chance, or the higher the percentage of chances, the chance that you will succeed. I'm stumbling over my words here, but you've got to get that focus. So I really pray that that helps you take your business, your career to the next level. It sounds so simple, but I'm telling you, the power of it is incredible. If you can learn to focus your mind on what really needs to happen like a laser, you will have the higher probability of being successful. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon for another Minute in the Boardroom.